And if you're interested in a pre-built hair store and starting your own hair business without any inventory, we have vendors on hand who will ship the items out for you. So click the link in the description for more information. Now, I am going to start making another pre-built website. I have a client who is in the UK, so I am making a pre-built hair store for her. She did choose like the black luxury theme, black and gold. So I'm going to go ahead and change the header since she is in the UK. I'm going to change it to something different, and then I'm going to upload a logo from Canva, a logo template with her business name. So pretty much this is Canva. I'm just going to make a copy, and I'm going to go ahead and add her business name to the logo, and then I'm going to download this logo as transparent and upload it back to Shopify. So once that is saved to my desktop, I will upload it from my computer and click save. So this is a Shopify theme that I did create myself. Pretty much I'm using it as a template. I do make the websites. You do have customization when pretty much starting your own hair business with me. I will make the website for you like this. This is pretty much how it comes. I'm going to show you as well more towards the end and throughout the video. And I upload the photos for you. You get the logo template, and I will even sync the vendor. So this is one of the ways I do make the pre-built stores. I am working on different ways behind the scenes. Probably next video, you'll see me like upload. I'm using a vendor by WhatsApp. That's the next video I'm going to make because I know you guys have questions about that, but I'm going to show you like a whole video. So be sure you are subscribed for more hair tutorials as far as like web design. And I'm going to add the collection. So my pre-built hair stores, if you were to get one from me, it does come with like 3 collections. Usually it's like wigs, bundles, and closures. I make the cover photos for you. I need to make some new templates. I probably will work on that within the next video as well. So I should have like a new template theme coming out because I know it is summertime. But pretty much the templates I have is like black, pink, and then gold and teal. So we are working on the black and gold luxury website. So I'm going to go ahead and finish uploading the collection photos. But if you were interested in starting your own hair business, this is one way. Usually when you start your own hair business, it costs over $1,000, and this way is low cost with between $300 and $400, and then you get a website on top of that. So usually, you spend all that money on inventory. You don't know if it's going to sell. You're sitting on inventory, and then you got to make your website on top of that. So I created a method, which is pre-built hair stores. It's pretty much drop shipping. Once you get a sale on your website, you place that order on your vendor's website, and your vendor will ship the item directly to your customer friend. So you don't have to hold any inventory. Now, should you order samples? Yes, ma'am. You always should. I had someone recently say, oh, right here, you're going to see me like sync the vendor. This is one way to sync one of the vendors. Just showing you guys pretty much signing my client up with DSCR, which is AliExpress, so she can have her own account just in case if she wants to, go back and sync items herself. And you do have to have an AliExpress account as well before having a DSCR account. And they have a free plan, never do paid, by the way. This is an app you can sync with Shopify to pretty much drop ship hair. So just a heads up. And yeah, like I said, make sure you already have an AliExpress account. And yeah, so I'm going to log into my own account and then add a couple of items, and then we are going to move on. But yeah, pretty much if you want to start your own hair business with no inventory, this is one way, by having a Shopify account and, syncing a few vendors. So pretty much when I make these videos, I show you guys my process. I'm pretty much upfront, showing you how the website is made, what vendors we use, how do I sync the vendors, what does the pictures look like from the vendors. Just so you guys are aware pretty much how the process works. And this is how you pretty much right here, what I'm showing you on screen, how you can set your profit margins if you were to go to settings in DSCR and pricing and currencies. You scroll down to pricing rule, you'll click the orange button, the toggle button, then you mark up the price. I did 65 pretty much because it's UK. I know UK kind of price is a little bit weird and different. So that's what you see me doing here. So we can make UK stores. We just have to use like a certain UK vendor on DSCR, which is really AliExpress. We are trying to work with a vendor on Alibaba through WhatsApp, just because you get like more options, so stay tuned for, like I said, that next video. Like, the next video is going to be a good one. Be sure you are subscribed, friend. And once you buy pre-built store as well, this is the main menu right now. You see me doing the main menu, and that's usually like the collections, view all. And then the footer menu will be like shipping policy, refunds, and all that stuff. So I make the full website for you. That's pretty much what we do. So pretty much, if I was to go to online store, customize, and click these 3 lines right here, that's the main menu where you can like shop around. And then if I were to go all the way to the bottom, like the very, very bottom, call it the, excuse me, we call it the footer menu. Then I will have to go ahead and do like the policies, which I am going to do as well. So this right here, you'll want to add your own email, but I will put pretty much how can your customers get in contact with you. And that is by pretty much using that Shopify inbox app. It's free to install on Shopify. This is what I have on my own website. Like if you want to instant chat me, it can help with sales. So I always add it for my clients and customers. So this is pretty much how the chat box will look on the website once it's uploaded. As you can see, if I were to click, oh, let's chat, I can ask a quick question, and then that is saved. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead and exit out. And this is the finished website of uploading the pretty much the templates and syncing a few items for my client. This is the gold luxury theme, black and gold, that she did pick. If you're wondering how to get a pre-built store for me, you will go to angelswhohustle.com, link in the description. You'll click this right here, digital hair store. Prices run from $2.99 to $3.99 currently. Depending on where you want to ship from, because I know when people are in the United States, they only want to ship to the USA, which is fine. It's usually cheaper. I understand. So now I have these different type of options. I did used to have like multiple packages, but I don't no more. I just have one package, and it pretty much includes everything that I used to have with the deluxe package. So it includes like a marketing guide, 30 days worth of content, even done for you hair videos that we are still in the process of making more. But you pretty much get access to all of that. It is included in this one package. So just showing you guys my product description. Be sure you read my whole product description from top to bottom before buying. Samples are only included for the USA as of now. And pretty much, if you want a certain type of hair, let us know beforehand. You can even view the example store. If you were to click this right here, read our FAQs, it will take you directly to our most asked questions, just to answer, any that you may have. Reviews at the bottom. I know sometimes people ask, is there any reviews? There goes some right there. And then, so pretty much you will receive your store in 5 to 7 business days. It is on sale for $2.99 if you're in the USA. But pretty much, like I said, you can launch your own hair business. We'll have over like pretty much 100K, not even 10K, 100K inventory in stock from the vendors. No shipping required. The vendors will ship for you. So you don't have to make that huge investment. It's like not even $1,000, obviously 10K. To start a hair business, you can start it with a few $100s. So pretty much this is how it works. You pick your store on my website. We upload the templates for you, and you can pretty much start selling. You get paid, and your vendor fulfills the order. You keep the profit. So no inventory, no shipping, just selling. Pretty much this is perfect for beginners who don't want to spend, too much on hair inventory, if you don't know if it's going to sell. I feel like everybody should start like with a dropshipping business and then maybe go to wholesale, you know what I'm saying? Because what if it don't sell? So it's just a method I thought of myself because I used to have a dropshipping boutique. So this is what's included with the hair store. As you can see, we'll sync 20 hair items. Comes with, like I said, the free mini course guide, 30-day hair content plan, and done for you hair videos that you can use for your own social media platforms. So that is what is pretty much included with the pre-built hair stores. Then I'm also going to show you guys what's not included, because I do have some people be like, hey, you didn't set up my domain. You didn't add my payment method. Like, I cannot add your payment method. Like, I don't have your credit card information. Even if you do buy from me on my website, I'm not going to have that information stored. Like, it's blocked off. So I wouldn't even want to do that. You know what I'm saying? So this is everything that you must do, just so you are aware. I don't want any surprises from anybody to be shocked. This is just pretty much what we don't do. So after I make the website for you, you pretty much, or after you buy it from me, you'll get a text from me within 24 hours confirming your order and your email address. and confirming if you have a Shopify or not. And I already showed you guys how the store will come. Of course, I have an example on my website if you want to see, how it will look. But pretty much how this video looked at the beginning, that's how the store will come. So I do have live footage of like unboxing pretty much a wig from the vendor, one of our hair vendors, because we do use a lot. Moving forward, I'm going to make another website. I always make new stuff. Y'all will see. Just click the link in the description for more information. This is a receive your store guide, pretty much help you receive your store once it's transferred to you. This is the learn your store guide. Pretty much what you should do after you get your store from me. Like, it's pretty self-explanatory. Learn your store guide. We don't leave you hanging after you buy a pre-built hair store from me. Like I said, we have tons and tons of guides, a few marketing. And these are the done for you hair videos right here. Still loading this content pack. So link in the description for more information. Bye.